Even on high-bandwidth fiber, fixed wireless access, hybrid fiber coax, DSL, and satellite, your users still experience dropped video calls, buffering, and high gaming latency. Bequant's Quality of Experience, or QoE, network optimization software includes patented algorithms that improve performance by reducing both network latency and TCP packet retransmissions. Let's see the empirical positive effect that these two specific algorithms have on a real-life network and how to enable these features in the QoE GUI.
What you're seeing is an actual ISP's QoE server. We've blurred out any sensitive information. This ISP has about 3,800 fixed wireless subscribers, with about 5 gigabit per second of traffic being optimized by QoE at any given time. We're going to be looking at live aggregate subscriber metrics over a 10-minute span as we disable then re-enable TCPO and ACM for this network. On the left side is the QoE's Status Subscribers Live Throughput page, where we see real-time graphs of aggregate downlink speed, downlink latency from QoE server to subscriber device in the 80th percentile, called P80 latency, and TCP retransmissions as a percentage of all downlink traffic. Right now, both TCPO and ACM are enabled and actively optimizing traffic. As you can see, downlink throughput is around 4 gigabits per second. P80 latency is between 100 and 180 milliseconds, with between 0.8 and 1.8% of TCP packets requiring retransmission. Now let's turn off both TCPO and ACM and see the unoptimized state of this network. The right panel is the QoE configuration optimization page, where we can enable or disable TCPO and ACM. We'll accelerate forward in time a bit now.
Less than a minute after disabling TCPO and ACM, you can see that downlink throughput is still around 4 gigabits per second, but latency has increased 50 to 80% and is now between 150 and 300 milliseconds. TCP packets requiring retransmission are now between 2 and 5%. If we now re-enable TCPO and ACM, let's watch as the network performance gets much better. Again, we'll accelerate forward in time a bit now as the network adjusts to the new settings. Latency and retransmit percentage are now working their way back down to optimized levels. This is not unique. We see this kind of improvement in every network where QoE is installed. What just happened and why? Bequant's TCPO, or TCP optimization algorithm, does two things to improve performance. First, as a TCP proxy, it acts on behalf of all subscribers' application flows, negotiates the TCP window size with the application server, say Netflix, to maximize the network payload, even if the subscriber's end device says to cut the payload way down because of lost or dropped packets at the CPE device. The effect? Faster applications. Second, if the subscriber's device makes a packet retransmission request to the application server, TCPO will send the packet on the application server's behalf. The effect here is reduction in latency and smoother application performance. And here's how Bequant's ACM, or Auto-Congestion Management algorithm, improves subscribers' internet experience. For every subscriber, ACM uses AI to learn the correlation between maximum network speed, not just the rate plan, packet retransmissions, and latency, i.e. congestion for that specific subscriber. Then, when QoE predicts congestion is about to occur, it slowly reduces the speed to that subscriber, allowing the CPE buffer to decongest. The effect? Again, smoother application performance, lower latency, less jitter, and overall better network performance. Visit bequant.com for more videos, how-tos, and other technical documentation. And read our solution briefs and case studies to see how Bequant's QoE helps you take control of your network.